How to transfer money from Zelle or Jelly to Wise. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from Jelly wallet to Wise wallet. Well, let's get straight into the video. If you head into the support page of Wise and if you see there is a question, does Wise work with Zelle? Well, unfortunately, Jelly and Wise are popular money transfer platforms. You can use both apps to send and receive convenient digital payments to friends and family across the US. But does Wise work with Jelly? It says no, you can't send money directly from Jelly to Wise or Wise to Jelly. Although there are some similarities between the platforms, they do different things. Wise uses a proprietary network of international bank accounts to help you send and receive direct money transfers to your recipient in local currency. Jelly Transfer works with traditional US banking providers to support transfers between US banks. Now, how you can transfer money from Jelly to Wise? Although you can't send money directly from Jelly to Wise, there are few alternative ways. You can link the same bank account on Jelly and Wise. You can send the money from Jelly to bank account and then bank account to Wise, or vice versa. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.